Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can reset the color settings in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us go to our settings, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to settings option, or you can also make a search here in the Windows search tab and type settings, and you will see under best match the settings option. So please click on that to open. So once you are now in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to system. And once you're in the system, we will look for display options. So this one, the first one, monitors, brightness, night light, display profile. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see here the brightness and color section, the scale and layout. And we will look for the advanced display settings, this one that is under related settings. So please click on that. And then you will see here under display information, this blue written words here, the display adapter properties for display 1. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see another small window coming up on your screen. So here all we need to do is just to click on this color management tab and click on this color management button to adjust color management settings. So let us click on this one. And then once you do that, this window will be coming up. Another window will be coming up. So please click on advanced tab. And once you do that, you will see here the Windows color system defaults, the ICC rendering intent, and at the very bottom part, you will see here the change system defaults. So color settings are restored separately for each user. So please click on change system defaults. And once you do that, another window will be coming up. So click on the advanced tab. And you will see here the very bottom part, the use Windows display calibration. So please make sure that this is selected or checked. And if you can check this one, since I can't do that in my device, if you can check this one, please do so, or select this one. And then once you're done, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.